Today I'm doing an unboxing and first test of the LiTHELi cordless self-propelled lawn mower. I specifically chose this one because my health isn't always great and I'm not always in the best physical shape right now. I needed something that was easy to use and manageable even when I'm not feeling best. The brown shipping box actually came ripped open, but thankfully the real mower box inside kept everything safe and protective. Also managed to cut my finger with my kids' safety scissors because of course I did. So if you never bled trying to do yard work, are you even doing it right? Here I am opening up the charging station, which can hold 2 of the batteries that come with it. I decided to buy the 4 battery model because it seemed to be more affordable. Everybody in the reviews said you should get at least 4 batteries because the self-propelled part of it sucks up the battery power. So the charging station charges 2 batteries. But the nice thing is these batteries have a cord that connects them to a USB-C port. So you could actually charge these on a phone charger. So my phone uses a USB-C port. So I could put 2 batteries in the charging station, and then I could put 2 more batteries on the USB-C cords in a charger on the wall, and have them all charging at the same time. You don't have to use the base at all to charge them, and that's really cool. I could just sit out in my car and charge them, or, not have to go back in the house. So that's really nice. And the batteries are smaller than other battery-powered appliances that we've used. Most of the others, you have to use their charger that comes with it, the charging station, and they're not compatible with other models. So it's really nice that they use a USB-C port. And I read that you can use these batteries to charge your phone or electronics, which also makes it more functional. This is where all the batteries are going to go. And all you have to do is lift it up. It doesn't have anything complicated. And you just pop them in there. You can pop as many as you want, I think. But I did all 4 at the same time. And it's pretty easy to get it set up. I didn't really have to consult the manual too much. And it was pretty easy to set up. And you could set up the height and position of the lawn mower handle, however it fits your body. And then we have some of the locals coming over and being curious. So I let them look around for a minute while I figured out the grass bag attachment. And you have to kind of put that together a little bit, but it's not hard. And then I had to stop filming in just a minute because it's my kid's first day of soccer, and she was really nervous and was scared and had a meltdown. So we had to comfort her and make her feel better, and she went off to soccer practice while I tried to mow the grass. I had to consult the manual here because this is where the grass bag holder attachment goes. And I guess you reach in and you pull out, you push this and then you pull it out. Sorry for that. You pull that piece out and then you put your grass bag in there. What did I do with that piece? Oh, it's just on the ground. But yeah, I was a little confused about what to do with the piece once I pulled it out. Still not 100% sure if you're supposed to put it back on there somewhere, but I took it off and then I put the grass bag right there. And the grass bag fits on it nicely. I am pretty short. I'm 4'11", so I had to kind of change the position of the top handle at more of an angle so that it was long enough so that I wouldn't be bumping into the bag. This is me just trying to figure out how to lock the handle into place, and you have to pull it all the way, and there'll be like this hole that matches up with that hole, and then you can lock it into place. And then at the base of the handle, you can see this little thing sticking out, and that's what locks the angle of the handle into place. So that was me just kind of checking how this works and making sure I have everything in order. Follow along for part 2 when I actually test the LiTHELi Easysurge in some really challenging conditions, including my kudzu patch and tall unmowed grass of 2025. Thanks for watching. Like and follow along if you enjoyed this. Thanks.